The easy-to-use 3M Roloc quick-release system, which fits both angle grinders and small disc sanders, enables operators to select the 3M product most suited to the application and change product or grade quickly with a simple twist-off, twist-on motion, as demonstrated here. On this stainless steel lid, there is a small weld which we are removing with a 3M Cupitron 2 984F durable edge Roloc disc on 3M's small disc sander. The result is a 60 grit rotary scratch pattern which needs refining to make the next step of creating a linear finish easier. So we can quickly and easily change the disc to do this to our product of choice, a Scotch-Brite surface conditioning Roloc disc in A course. You can clearly see the difference between the two finishes. For deburring and weld cleaning, a variety of 3M products are available, such as the Scotch-Brite radial bristle, and in this case, a Scotch-Brite EXL unitised Roloc wheel, and is effective for light cleaning applications, leaving a bright finish.
Feels so good. You do that thing you do.